it's over. Hey friend, so something looks a little different around here, right? And no, I didn't get a new haircut, but I did change the channel name. So say hello to RV Life with Kim Hanna. This channel started as Camping for Foodies because I was basically sharing like awesome camping recipes. But then I got really into RV life, like doing how-tos, gear hacks, boondocking tips, planning trips, dealing with mice, but still cooking in a tiny kitchen. So why do I need a new name for the channel? Because it's more accurate, it's still me, Pete, and the kitties, it's still food, but there's just more RV stuff in the mix. Don't panic, all the free recipes and free printables are still going to be available on campingforfoodies.com. I am not abandoning chili and no-cook camping meals, I promise. Now, if you're here new, or if you've been hanging out for a while, check out this next video. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's one of my favorites, and spoiler alert, it shows you exactly how we set up our entire rig for off-grid camping. Thanks for riding along, and welcome to RV Life with Kim Hanna. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your camp neighbors to quiet down after 10 p.m. I'll see you again soon.